Charm of Southern China refined into modern elegance. A simple all-in-one design that combines a POS terminal, card reader, and advertisement display for easy installation. The customer display and dual screen are fully customizable, adding color and personality to any restaurant or retail space. Integrated side scanner and built-in counterfeit currency detection improve efficiency and security. MSR card reading, product scanning, and face recognition are all integrated into one powerful terminal. Customizable frame colors allow the A3 to match your brand style perfectly. Multi-language support and a rotatable screen adapt effortlessly to global business needs. An intelligent temperature control and cooling system ensures stable performance throughout the day. The A3 series supports Windows, Android, and Linux systems for maximum flexibility. With multiple ports, the A3 connects easily to receipt printers and other peripherals. A 3 Series touchscreen POS, where refined elegance meets intelligent performance,